Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the fox ability in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the fox ability, I'm going to show you how you can purchase the fox. Basically, the fox will spawn around the map and you need 10 million maple leaves to purchase the fox. And wait, let me sell my inventory because my inventory is full. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys the fox ability, and it works during the night time. Okay, this is my fox. I only have one fox. Sneak out at night to steal a seed from other players and bring it back to you. Okay, this fox can give you free seed from the other players, and it has ability to steal seeds from the other players' inventory. So if you're lucky, you'll get rare seeds like um, giant pumpkin, or what else? But yeah, if you're lucky, if the other players have rare seed, you'll be able to get that. And yeah, that's how the fox works in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, if you're lucky, you'll get all the seeds, Atlantic giant pumpkin, and so on. So if you want to get a lot of seeds, make sure that you have multiple foxes in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the fox ability in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Event Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!